For 50 years, Nordfab ducting has been used around the world for dust collection in woodworking applications. Nordfab ducting is frequently being used from one-person shops in home garages to large manufacturing plants. Let's take a closer look on why Nordfab ducting is one of the preferred solutions within the woodworking industry. Nordfab ducting is a modular system, meaning it is easy to put together or take apart. It can easily be installed by almost anyone using a clip to assemble the different components. You can probably relate to having to move or even add machineries to your shop. No worries, Nordfab ducting can easily be disassembled, and thanks to its sturdy construction, it can be reused again and again. Our modular ducting system is available in stock in diameters from 80 mm to 710 mm. The larger diameters are available with flanged connections. Our standard materials are galvanized, mild, and stainless steel. Leakage is virtually non-existent, resulting in a highly efficient system where the suction is provided to the machines, not leakage in the ductwork. All the components you need are available from one source, including manifolds and hoods for your machinery. Nordfab has designed and built manifolds to connect to many of the major woodworking machine models. At Nordfab we also offer specialized products for wood applications, including our dropout box, which stops large wood chips in the airstream. These are just some of the benefits making Nordfab popular within the woodworking industry. Are you interested in finding a solution for your wood shop? Contact us by calling one of my colleagues or visit our website at this address. We are looking forward to create clean air for you and your workers.